There's this gorgeous being I'm seeing. Magnificent she is. Elegance lies within her continent. I draw inspiration from her ebony covetousness. I think her fragrance is made from one of those rare exotic flowers, for she smells of royalty. She smiles and sings like the nappy Mona Lisa, addicted to my lips like I am her stick of nicotine, a sizzling sensation she gives. Since her fingers found spaces between mine and we locked, we've been taking walks in the parks, talking
Mutambaruka,
Nkrumah and Rosa Parks. What Matthew marks when he looked John and the whole Testament.
We took off our masks, for we were no longer afraid to expose our truest selves.
Our souls hugged to showcase a rainbow-like staircase to heaven. I hear the wind whisper, "Welcome to divinity." I found God in her dark complexion. I'm in love with her.
I found my rhythm in his heartbeats. Now mine pounds in love with him.
I found poetry in her words. I found jazz in her laughter. Yeah, I'm in love with her.
I found serenity in him, safety under his arms. I'm in love with him.
This is for her and I.
This is for him and I.
This is the story of us. Her and I is the poem of the century. For reciters and bloggers, let the playwrights name their characters after us. For we go beyond the physical,
slide into the spiritual.
I was aroused by her realness long before she held me tight for a trip down to her between the Kama Sutra. She told me,
"Come, I suit you right."
Awakening my desires,
setting my soul on fire.
The moment was finally ours.
Dancing in between the ooh and ah.
And we danced for hours. Yeah, we made love, love, love.
We made love until the light.
Love.
We made love until the light.
We wear our love like the finest linen.
And when we hold hands, it's like 1995 once again.
'Cause she's my Badu,
he's my Andre, and we go way past the Valentine's Day cliché.
I found God in her dark complexion. I'm in love with her.
I found my rhythm in his heartbeats. Now mine pounds in love with him.
I found poetry in her words. I found jazz in her laughter. Yeah, I'm in love with her.
I found serenity in him, safety under his arms. I'm in love with him.
This is for her and I.
This is for him and I.
This is the story of us.